In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Canva to create designs that you can upload into Cricut Design Space. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva home page, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Next, set the canvas size for your design. For example, you can enter 100 pixels for the width and 50 pixels for the height. Then click Create New Design. After the blank canvas opens, go to the text section on the left side and click Add a Heading. Type the text you want for your Cricut project, such as a name, quote, or phrase. You can add multiple text boxes if you want to combine different words or styles in your design. Next, change the font by clicking the font menu at the top. Choose fonts that match the style of your project. Resize and position the text on the canvas until the layout looks balanced. You can also click effects to add styles such as shadow, curve, or outline to customize your design. If needed, adjust the spacing and alignment so the text looks clean and ready for cutting. When your design is finished, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG and enable the transparent background option if available. This helps Cricut detect the design without a background. Finally, open Cricut Design Space. Upload the PNG file and prepare it for cutting on your Cricut machine.